But my mom just called me. Yeah. Because I couldn't find my phone at all. I tried to call it for me and told my mom call me. You know why? Because I did. I told my mom call me. We're eating food right here. You can just see us eating food.
Guys, this is so good.
I didn't even take a bite of mine. Okay, bye guys.